Hello everyone, in front of me is INFINIX Zero 30, and let me show you how to add photo to contact. At first, open your phone gallery, then go to Contacts, select the one that you want to personalize, mark Edit icon, and click on Camera. And now you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery. Let me pick something from Google Photos. Now you can customize it however you like, just crop it and then tap on confirmation mark. Tap on save then to apply the change. And that's it. As you can see, photo has been assigned to particular contact. You can also see it in your contact list. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.